how I created AI documentary videos using the Map to Monument method in just 3 minutes, completely free and unlimited. Now you can make stunning documentary videos that show 3D building growth using artificial intelligence entirely for free and with nothing more than your mobile phone. With this method, you can create long AI documentary videos and grow your YouTube channel faster than ever before. Let's start by using ChatGPT to generate the documentary script. First, we'll ask ChatGPT to write a short, engaging 60-second documentary, for example, about the history of Egypt. And within moments, the script is ready. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to convert that script into detailed, scene-by-scene segments. For each scene, we'll generate realistic 3D text-to-video prompts. And remember, use miniature landscape growth animation only when the scene requires building a location or forming an environment. For all other scenes, stick to normal cinematic 3D visuals. As you can see, all the prompts for each scene are now ready. So let's begin creating the first scene. We've already copied the prompt for scene 1. Now open Grok, switch the mode from image to video, choose your preferred video aspect ratio, paste the prompt, and hit send. Grok will generate the 3D animation clip for scene 1. Once it's done, scene 1 is ready. Let's preview it and download the clip. Next, we repeat the same steps for scene 2. Copy the prompt, paste it into Grok, generate the clip, and just like that, scene 2 is ready. Repeat this process for all scenes. After all clips are completed, we move on to the voiceover. For that, we'll use Google AI Studio. Simply paste the full video script, choose the voice you prefer, then click play to generate the voiceover. After that, download it from there. Now that you have both the voiceover and the clips, import everything into your favorite video editing software. Drag each clip onto the timeline one by one. Since the clips are not in perfect 16:9, select all of them and scale them to 125%. Then, adjust the speed of each clip, slowing down or speeding up to perfectly sync with the voiceover. Now add the music and adjust the level. And just like that, your 3D AI documentary video is complete. Let's watch the final result.
They constructed the pyramids of Giza, engineered with incredible precision. They developed hieroglyphic writing, advanced medicine, mathematics, and government. Pharaohs like Khufu, Hatshepsut, and Ramses II expanded Egypt's influence. Temples in Luxor and Karnak became symbols of their spiritual world. Egypt saw Persian, Greek, Roman, and Islamic rule, each leaving a lasting mark. Today, Egypt stands as a bridge between ancient wonder and modern life.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.